Hello my friends, this time we will making this. This is the template for Davinci Resolve, which you can download on my blog, and the links for my blog will be under the video and video description. Now let me show you how to use it. Alright, when you open the Fusion, go on FX Library and folder where you downloaded the file. So you take the file, just drag and drop like this and connect to the media out. When it's done the rendering, you will get the image, as you can see here. Now I will ungroup and show you exactly what's going on here. So first, this is the main line that I made. I also included the notes. This is the background here. This is the background four corners, and if you want gradient, you just connect like this and you will get the same as me. So this is the rotation for the big ring, and this merge here is rotation for the smaller ring. You can adjust the speed by adjusting the angle. You see here I made -90, so you can put 180 and then it will spin more faster. Then you will have this duplicate is for this big ring, and soft glow is for glow, obviously. This, and duplicate for the smaller ring, as you can see, and the small soft glow for the smaller ring, just like this. Then you will have two lights on the left and the right side. This one you can adjust the size, the glow, how you want it. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.